Hey everyone, how is it going? Well, Christmas came early. Well guys, I'm super happy to announce that I am doing a private promo of InstaKeywords. Alright, so I will be running a private promo for 5, perhaps 7 days. Okay, I'll set it up for 7 days. Starting from today, the 2nd of November. And you will be able to pick up this tool. It's a keyword research tool, amazing tool, okay? I'm sure you must have heard about it. It's been around for years, to be honest, quite some time, okay? Quality vendor, a lot of happy, feedback, plenty of testimonials on the sales page. I would say go check out that sales page, okay, below this video. What I will also do is attach the link to my review of InstaKeywords, which I did quite a few months ago when I initially decided to promote it, to review it, and to promote it, okay? Now, it doesn't happen often that you can get it at a discounted price, or it's going to be a one-time fee, guys. As opposed to, having to pay for it yearly. So, yeah, that's the thing. After the promo is finished, the price will switch to annual fees, and it is going to be way more expensive. So maybe I'll quickly show you. Again, this is, have I mentioned that? I don't think so. It's not a review, it's just a quick sort of update and letting you know there is a chance to pick it up if you haven't picked it up yet. I know a lot of people have, a lot of people use this tool and, have been even sharing their experience with me below my review of InstaKeywords. So, okay, let me show you something now. So this is the tool. Again, I'm not reviewing it. Okay, but just quickly show you see, depending on the research, the keyword really, you will get all of the metrics. You guys are gonna see what keywords rank well, the competition level, the trends, the cost per click in case you would be, running paid ads. Okay, it's a very valuable information. You can do you can see the search volume here as well, and then you can filter it, of course, as well. What you can also do, you can expand on this one. So if you see there's a keyword that ranks well and you want to find similar to this one, which would also potentially rank well, as you can see, for example, the competition, it says great. So that's the keyword you want to use for this content. This is, guys, a tool each and every one really out there who creates content needs. It's a lovely tool because it will help you with SEO, with search engine optimization. It will help you rank your content. So this is, guys, the sales page, and as you can see, you can get instant access for no monthly fees, unlimited searches, okay, again for a limited time if you wish to pick it up from me. And that's the deal, guys. Hold on. This is the deal, $67, okay. I remember after I finished my private, after I've done my review and I did a private promo of like limited time promo for InstaKeywords. A lot of people reach out to me after the promo was over. And it was over, okay, so I can't do it. Like, I cannot play up with the settings as I want to, because the vendor is not really happy about that, okay. He would allow, selected affiliates, trusted affiliates to run the private promo every 4, 5, maybe 6 months with this discounted price, because normally it's $468 a year. Okay, whereas this is much less. Okay, it's a one-time payment. So if you need it, if you've been thinking about it but you haven't really found a good price for it so far, then that's your chance, okay, to get it. And what I will also do, is attach a link to my full review, which is very in-depth review of InstaKeywords. Okay, as some people have been commenting, and thank you guys for your comments. I always love to read them. Thank you, super lovely. And some guys yeah, told me that, you know, they have had it for quite some time, it works great, and even they bought some of the upsells. This article video robot is really good. Okay, there's another one that creates videos from an article, like a video creator. This is also a very cool upsell. I also did a video about the upsell number 1, I believe, that I liked in particular. So you may want to watch that video too. This lady here also said she purchased this, you know, tool some time ago. I assume almost like 6-7 months ago, because when I released that review, that would have been about 3-4 months ago. Yeah, 4 months ago. There you go. So yeah, watch that review if you want to know like, if you want to see an in-depth review and see this tool sort of in action. Okay, so yes, exciting news, Christmas came early indeed. Okay, ho ho ho. Alright guys, love you and leave you, and yeah, check all the links down there below my review if you want to get it. The time is now. You're not gonna get a better price anytime soon. Alright, love you and leave you. Ciao, see you soon, very very soon.